wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
What's good, sisters? Back with another video. Period.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby.
Hey guys, welcome to this month's monthly reset video. So I guess I'll tell you what I'm doing in this video. So I definitely need to clean my room, so I'm gonna do that. I'm also going to mop my floors and sweep and all that. I'm gonna deep clean my bathroom because it needs to be deep cleaned. And then I'm also gonna be doing laundry. I got a plan for this month. I got me my little calendar. I'm gonna write down everything I need to do in there. I'm gonna do my journal for today, see what work I have. Y'all, there's a lot in this video. It's gonna be all over the place because I got so much to do. Let's just get into the monthly reset. Okay, so I decided to do my laundry first because, you know, while my laundry's in the washer, I can move around and do some other things, you know? Okay, so this is my laundry bag for school, y'all. Gonna get my Tide Pods. All right, let's go do the laundry.
Then dip me underway. You can hit me on my foot, flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Yeah, I'm very upset because why is half the washing machines in the laundry room broken? Okay, y'all, I'm back though. I'm gonna set my alarm for when my laundry's done, whatever I'm trying to say.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my progress. So I cleaned this area off, which was like a mess. So now I guess I'm gonna sweep this rug, and then I'm also gonna move the rug so that I can sweep under the rug and also mop. This rug is horrible, y'all. Look at it. I'm gonna see how much I can sweep off of it. Okay, y'all, so I swept the floors. I'm about to go ahead and mop the floors.
Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I just got back from the laundry room. I ended up getting 2 washers, which I'm glad, so I can do my laundry a little faster, but at this point I only have 1 load left anyway. I'm about to start working in the bathroom now. So I have 15 minutes until my other time I'm going for my next load of laundry. I have that time. I'm gonna start with the shower and bleach the shower. So it's gonna be fun. Okay, y'all, so I just scrubbed down the shower for like 10 minutes. Okay, it probably was 10 minutes, but I actually done the shower for a while. And I'm gonna let this sit in here for like 5-ish minutes or until I come back from doing my laundry. Right now, I'm about to go ahead and wash these dishes real quick. So I just finished cleaning the shower. It looks pretty clean, except for that spot right there. I guess it's a stain or something now because I cannot get it out. The bathroom is clean. It smells really good in here. It smells like cleaning products. Put some towels over there. Hey guys, I look so short. Anyways, so I'm now gonna start like planning for my monthly reset. So I have this calendar right here that I actually just bought. I always wanted to buy one of these, but I was like, I'm not really big on wearing it because I barely ever look at a calendar. Like, I don't even know what day it is. Hey guys, so this is my little calendar. I'm writing February at the top, and I plan on making it really cute Valentine's Day-ish. So I just decided that I'm going to be writing when I have work due, the basketball games, and then later a couple days when I figure out my video ideas for the month. I'm going to write my video ideas on here as well. But it turned out really cute, and I love that like cute little calendar idea I had. Hey y'all, I just brought my laundry. I'm gonna go put this away and then make my bed. Okay y'all, so I just finished doing my laundry and putting sheets on my bed, or this blanket back on my bed. So now I'm gonna work on my journal. So basically what I've been doing is on this page, whatever day it is, I'm writing like how I felt that day, what I did, what I ate. And then on this side, the note side, my friend Jess shared me this TikTok. Every day she asks a question to anybody watching, and basically I'm writing down the answer to the question she asked. And it's always like a question that you have to think a lot about, and it's always about you. Like I said, it's just kind of to help me mentally because I just have not been doing too great, y'all. I actually am gonna make an appointment at the school counselor, or with the school counselor, because I just have not been doing too great. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all when I'm done because I don't really want to film this. Hey guys, I'm back. So I finished my little journal thing. The question was, when was there a time you felt the worst as a child or something like that? There was other questions after that, obviously, like follow-up questions with that question. And then I filmed some TikTok. I posted one, and then the rest are my drafts, and I'll post throughout the day. Okay y'all, so this is my next part of my monthly reset video. I didn't include this in the beginning, but I am going to be doing some editing, which is actually this video. I'm editing this video as I'm filming it because it just makes things easier for me. Plus I'm chilling right now. I don't really have anything to do since I finished cleaning. So for right now, I'm going to edit a little bit of this video. Hey guys, so right now we're going to go ahead and go make some shrimp tacos. So I'm going to take y'all along with me and we're going to cook. So let's go.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing funny flares, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit.
So about 5 TikToks later, I'm back with lashes on and lipstick on. I don't know. Anyways, guys, so I'm gonna end my video here because the night is basically over. It's 11 o'clock now. Not doing anything else. But thank you guys for coming along with me today for my monthly reset. Basically me just getting my life together, starting new habits as well, like y'all saw the journal and the calendar earlier in the video. and cleaning, because that's one thing I like doing when it's a new month, a new week, whatever. Deep cleaning, have to do it. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.